Hey everybody, this is Scott with Power 360 Media, and the video that you're about to watch is actually part of a series of about 18, 19 videos that we put together a few months ago. Just kind of an introduction to what AI can do for your business. And what I've decided to do is to put all these videos up on YouTube so you can watch them for free. I'm going to put a link down in the video so you can download a lot of the free content that we have. We've got some PDF documents and things like that, some supplementals that will go along with this. Um, but just be advised, with the advancement in technology and software and things like that. These videos were created about 6 months ago. There's already been advancements. So when let's say you log into ChatGPT, now there's some newer versions that are not referenced in the video and things like that. But still, the idea here was to put together a course that's really going to give you a good insight to how you can use AI with your business. We put this course together for real estate professionals, investors, real estate agents, real estate brokers, but really you can tailor this to any business that you may have. So hope you enjoy this. We've got about 18, 19 videos here that I'm going to put in a playlist. I'll put the link down to of the playlist below. I'll also have a link for all of the free documents and supplementals. Hope you enjoy it. Do me a favor, leave a comment and subscribe. That way you'll see when we post new videos about this. We'd love to hear back from you and see what we can do to help. Enjoy this introduction to AI and what it can do for your business. Thanks for watching.
All right, guys, welcome back. And if you haven't already, you're going to want to check out ChatGPT. So go to chat.openai.com and create an account. So when you get there, all you got to do is, and if you already have one, obviously just log in. Just click sign up, type in an email address, enter a password, hit continue, verify your email address, and log in.
Everybody, just a quick break here. I wanted to say thanks for watching our videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means everything to us. Hopefully you're getting some value out of this content. And if you want to try out our free software, we've got a 14-day trial. It's a fully automated marketing and automation software that's built on the Go High Level platform, tailored to real estate professionals, tailored to home service professionals. We've got some great things that go above and beyond just what Go High Level offers, as far as also just the additional support that we have in training. So if you want to try that out, go to p360trial.com, and again, hit like and subscribe. And I just wanted to say thanks again for watching.
And then once you're in, go down to the bottom left menu here and hit all products and go to ChatGPT. Now I'm using ChatGPT 4. It is a paid service. So you can play around with ChatGPT 3.5, but ChatGPT 4 does have some additional things. So you may want to look into getting ChatGPT 4. And ChatGPT 4 is, I think it's like $20 a month. So that'll get you started. See you on the next video.